You're welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this lovely fish pies. Today is fish pie. Looking so pretty and beautiful. So let's do it together. You need your flour. You need 3 eggs. You need baking powder. You need salt and your butter and milk. So I have up to 1 cup of milk. Please, if your 1 cup of milk is not enough, please go ahead and add more milk because I'm not using water, I'm using only milk. All the ingredients together and you start mixing except the liquid ones. Mix in. This is rubbing method. Take your time and do this till you have this breadcrumbs texture. It's very important you mix thoroughly before adding your liquid. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to Progressive Recipes. I cook, I bake, I decorate cakes, and I do so many different pastries I know you will love. So be a part of this lovely channel by only joining if you have not subscribed. If you're new, feel free to subscribe because subscription is free. Go in with the egg and you now go in with the milk. If you are sure the breadcrumbs texture is there, you add your egg and the milk gently and you keep mixing. Yes, like I was saying, subscription is free just for you to be getting alerts of my new video. Whenever I drop new video, you will get an alert. And to my old subscribers, I appreciate you all for always joining in. Thanks so much, and please everyone, don't forget to give me thumbs up, like this video. Yeah, feel free to ask questions and also feel free to comment. So add the milk till you have a very beautiful soft dough. It's important anytime you're mixing any dough, make sure you have extra flour in the house so that when the liquid is much, you can be able to use your extra flour and support your dough. So it's very important you have extra flour. Sometimes you might need it for your kneading. Yes, it's very important. You can look at the dough, pretty soft. Yes, look at that. I'm okay with this precious dough. I need to allow it to rest before I use. Yes. After mixing your dough, you can allow it to rest this way or you share it out. With this dough, will be producing up to 45 pieces of fish pies. Yes, so I prefer sharing it out because I'm the only one handling this, so I need any way I can make the work easy for myself, I do. So this is what I've achieved our route to rest. So wash your fish thoroughly, add water, add onion, add onion cube, that's your seasoning cube. Please season anyhow you love, anyhow you want. That's my pepper and salt. So this garlic and ginger paste I blended, and you just feel free to use your own spice the way you want. This curry, and I'll be adding thyme to it. Yes, like I said, feel free to season the way you want. Cover and allow to cook. Immediately the fish is soft, remove from water, debone it, and I'm ready to make my fillings. Yes, mash the fish after removing the bones. Very important. Please remove the bone. Be gentle when handling this fish. In a fry pan, add little oil to it, and you go in with your onion and little salt, and you stir very, very well. Go in with your seasoning cube, 1 seasoning cube. If you're feeling it much, please go in with 2. Add pepper. It's optional, but it's important I add it because the country we found ourselves is very cold. So go in with your veggies. I'm using carrot and green peas, yes, for this. fry a little and you go in with your mashed fish. Stir very well and you taste. If you're not okay with the spices, feel free to add more little pepper, salt, or little seasoning cube depending on what is missing. And you allow to steam for a little more while and you remove off the heat. Our fish pie filling is ready. This is looking so precious. So all you need to do lastly is to just add your cornstarch, dissolved cornstarch. Yes, pour it, dissolve 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and you pour into it. Cornstarch is like a binder. Yes, feel free to pour it and it will bind everything together, and that is all. Off your heat at this point and everything is set. So it is time to start making our fish pie. Fish pie, the last fish pie I made, I used a different cutter. Today feel free to use any cutter of your choice. It is very important you use any one you want. I have my oven tray, I have my rolling pin. I'm using meat pie cutter today. Sprinkle flour to your work surface and you begin to knit. You begin to knead a little, roll it out a little, and you place on your meat pie cutter. Add your filling and you use your egg wash. Seal the round part and you close it up. Just the same way you can repeat and repeat till everything is done. Don't forget to like my video. If you watch to this extent, feel free to like this video. This little rolling pin, I got it from my flower cutters I bought. So I have been enjoying it, so I love using it sometimes. So just do the same thing and you cover. So if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Please feel free to share this video to your friends and family. If you've been eating meat pie, it's time to try fish pie. I made this for a client and the client was like, the fish pie tastes better than the meat pie. I think, I don't know whether it's because of his fish, but she enjoyed it more than the meat pie because she has taken my fish pie before. So she appreciated this more than the meat pie. But I know both are okay, but sometimes you need to at least try something new. So feel free to try this recipe and I know you will really love it. So when I'm done with the first batch, this is the first one that will enter the oven. I started preheating my oven before I do the egg wash. It's very important. So immediately after doing the egg wash, I put straight to the oven before I continue. Look at the fish pies are looking so pretty beautiful and lovely. Looking attractive already when they are not even baked. Looking so nice. So after something like 25 minutes, look, they are already beautiful, it's looking so yummy. So I have to put the next remaining ones. This, you can see the first set is ready, so I have to continue adding the last batch to my oven tray, setting them back again to bake. Yes, I'll continue till I'm done. Please, if you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to my channel. I cook, I bake, I decorate cakes, and I do different pastries I know you will love. I'm a Nigerian baker that based in the UK, and feel free to be a part of this lovely channel because I'm bringing simple recipes to your doorstep, which I know if you try, you won't regret this. After every my meat pies are ready, looking so pretty. Please like this video, like, comment. Isn't this beautiful? This is so lovely and attractive and yummy. Please try this recipe. You will come back to thank me later. Thanks for watching. Bye.